Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Verimail, a tool that claims to give your contact list a deep cleaning for risk-free email marketing. Verimail is a bulk verification tool that validates your recipient list so you can send emails safely and boost open rates. They are an alternative to never bonds. So why you will use Verimail? You're gonna use it to avoid your emails to bounce or avoid losing points of your email domain, risking your email marketing account, etc. So to send emails only to people that will receive your email because you don't have any wrong emails on your list. That is the use case to Verimail and to any other email cleaning list tool. So anyone should have one of those kind of tools, a never bounce like tool, and Verimail is the current option on AppSumo. The deal is pretty straightforward. You're gonna get more verifications per month between the tiers. So if you buy the tier 1, you get 100,000 of verification per month. And if you buy the tier 3, you get 5. So the tier 1 will be enough for most use case, but if you have a huge list or if you're an agency, maybe the tier 3 will be better for you. So that's cool that they remove syntax error for free, remove duplicates for free, and correct common typos like, writing your Gmail domain wrongly. So if you are typing those emails and you mistyped it, they will remove and fix those common typos on your list. So Verimail has the best features to help you to clean your email list. So let's check out how the tool works. So here is the dashboard and everything is pretty simple. You can verify a single address. So click in here and then you type the email that you want to verify. Okay, they just verified your email. That's a success email. Deliverable is true. So is everything okay with that email? But usually you're gonna upload a list. So let's check out how you're gonna do that. First, you're gonna add your list. Click in here. Usually you're gonna add a CSV. So you upload your CSV and you click on analyze and you will receive an email after Verimail analyze all your emails. So it's pretty simple. You can see that they have also an API if you know how to use it. And here you can check out my list. The status is ready. They already verified my list. You can see here that they are verifying my email. When it shows up the download green button, it means that your list is verified and everything is corrected. As you can see here, I have 0 duplicates on that list and I have 0 errors. So that list is everything okay. I have no problem on that list and I can use it to send emails to users. So always have a email verification tool so you avoid to harm the safety of your email domain, and also you avoid bouncing, which would risk also your email marketing tool and the safety of your email domain. So Verimail is an option for you if you don't have that kind of tool. The limits are generous. I hope you liked that review. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.